Oh God.
Oh, here comes
Now you got tricks.
Oh God.
Nuh-uh. Nope, it's totally you. Nope. He's got a hand down there.
All right.
No personal space. All right.
I know.
He's watching us. He's watching.
See. Oh God. He's breathing right on me, dude.
I know, it's freaking gross. It's creepy.
Oh God. Watch out for Steve.
Christine!
Christine! Hello?
Hi, Christine.
You're Steve.
I know, really?
Yeah. That's what your jacket
Look out
says.
for Steve.
Thank God, I thought there was a naked guy walking around here. I just grabbed some jumpsuit back second.
I mean, you might not be wrong.
Good?
Yeah, I love being a slider, all I can see. Sorry, we're gonna be here for a while. The best part, oh my God. He doesn't follow the rules. I didn't touch you, did I? Nope, see? Not touching you, not touching you. That's why you use props, people. You get away with it.
Down the stairs.
Oh.
Thank
Wow.
you.
Okay, here we go. Oh wow. Here we go. Oh no, it's really foggy already.
Spiral staircase.
Every step, it gets colder.
Yeah.
You can see the fog down there.
This is
Oh,
so
no.
freaking cool.
I forgot how cool this was.
It's really cool.
Like no one has this.
No, they don't.
Shit, the light.
Guess I go through here.
You can already hear creepy music.
I know, they're waiting.
It's like wind.
Shit. Careful. Steps. More steps.
Oh, we're right into it. It goes right into it.
Here we go.
Oh, it's gonna be foggy. It's gonna be in it.
Yes.
All right, here we
Oh,
go.
crap. It's a sound wave of some sort. Dead one. Oh, gosh, what was that? I don't know about that one. Ooh, I think so. I don't know. Why are you so angry? What?
Oh, got pig. Got pig.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. You stay over there.
You having dinner tonight?
Oh, look at that organ.
Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. That is very
That's what she said.
I don't trust it. It's just creepy
I'm in
down
the
here.
library right now.
Oh God. Maybe. I don't know. Are you nice?
They're
Oh, I
coming.
think she's a witch.
They're all coming.
Uh-oh.
She tried to warn us.
I know. Ooh, that's creepy.
I said to the Lord, please bring back more Marilyn Hill.
Oh.
The light and your prayer to bring her back to the light.
Please rise from the dead.
She's not dead.
Oh, she's not dead. She just, oh, she's damned. I think we go that way.
You know, if I can just get the prayers of the scare factor and she can come back to the light.
Maybe. Come back to the light. We demand it.
Be gone, David.
I don't think we did it right.
I think we did it right.
He said we were damned, so
I know.
here's how we damned.
Oh, it's gonna get real foggy. Oh God! Good job.
Flying out of
Good
there.
job. That got me.
Oh
That
yeah.
got me.
That was
That was
a good
great.
one.
That was good. Because it was right when it was foggy and I couldn't see
I
anything.
could not see that thing coming.
Oh no, it's gonna get bad, isn't it? Oh no. Oh God.
Oh,
Oh
it's following
no.
behind.
Oh, I can't tell where they are.
Oh,
I'm
watch out
gonna-
for the heads.
I'm gonna feel the walls. Oh, there's something happening. I just don't know what it is.
I hear it.
Oh, I
Is it
can't
on the
tell.
ground? Where is it?
This is a head. That's a
Okay.
head.
There's something something up here making noise.
Yeah, I just don't know where it is.
Something tapping.
I don't know what's.
Hello? I don't know. Nothing. Nothing yet.
Oh, there's a drop down. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
I didn't know where it was coming from.
A long way down where? The hell?
Oh, that looks awesome. Look at his teeth.
Huh?
Look at his teeth.
Oh, it talks. Ooh, it makes noise at least. Sorry.
It's got barrel brains right here.
That is a lot of brains.
What's in here? I don't
I
trust
don't
it.
know. I don't
trust it.
I don't either. There's other. Shut! Over there. I don't like you either.
The main thing I remember from the Lemp from 10 years ago is the barrels with the Lemp on it. That's the only
Yes.
thing that's the same. Everything else has been different so far.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, they're above us. Oh no. Oh,
Look out!
God.
Look
Oh
out!
no. I don't trust it.
He's not okay. He's not breathing. He has no pulse.
Oh wow. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my God, the dedication.
I don't know about it.
Oh wow. Oh, that's really creepy. Oh God. We're like in the wine cellar.
It's like real rock.
It is real.
It's authentic.
Real.
Yes, it is.
You're
Oh, there's
actually in a
caskets.
dungeon.
There's
We
coffins.
are. Are they gonna let us out? Is the question.
Oh, we've got coffins. Pop quiz: coffins or caskets?
Oh.
Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, that. Yep, that one was real. Oh.
That's really creepy. Oh God.
Okay.
She's a little too excited, I think. Going this way.
This was not his day.
No.
No.
He didn't make it.
He did not.
He didn't make it.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, that's just where the noise was coming from. Oh. He's got all kinds of writing.
no. Look, they don't have any eyes.
Oh, he doesn't.
They don't have any eyes. Oh, no, what happened to you? Oh, what happened to you?
It's a cyclops.
Oh, God.
What the fuck? What was that thing?
That got me. Oh.
Pterodactyl.
I don't know if it's a pterodactyl or not.
That was really unique. I hadn't seen that before. Saw the spiny fingers just came all summon at me.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Big demon.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
That way.
Yeah.
Forget about that, you.
That is really cool.
Yes, it
Eric, oh yeah!
is. He ain't even made it in there yet. I knew it was real. God, look at this. This is crazy. It's all real. Oh! Yeah, I don't know what that was.
This is so much better as this than the this. You can actually see.
What the heck?
Dude, I was even next to it.
Ooh, that's creepy.
Oh, there they
What the
are.
hell is that?
I always get suspicious when I see static props start wobbling.
Yeah?
Like something had to touch it.
Or what we think is static sometimes.
Which one's real? Which one's real? It's getting louder.
It is getting louder.
Yeah.
A lot louder. And creepier. They like to collect heads.
Oh, cool. There's Grim Reapers.
Uh-huh.
These Grim Reapers look like they got sights.
Oh shoot, we're getting close. Why are you moving? Son of a bitch! I'm not a sinner!
I call bullshit.
Oh no, there's Baphomet in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, what are you?
Oh jeez. That's cool. I like that
To you too.
I like that you can see the strobe.
It's really cool. What in the butt? He's fast. I like
There's
his
something up
fire.
there.
I see that. Oh God. They're in both areas. Oh, he's got, oh. I think they shocked him. It was coming from all directions.
It got real loud, real fast. Oh, he's coming out of the body. Oh, he's coming out of the body.
Oh my gosh. That's really cool.
I don't think surgery's going very well.
Uh-oh. Is this the maze?
I feel like this is the start of a cage maze.
I was gonna say, is it the maze? I'm glad you're over there. Yeah. No. He come out.
Oh, wow.
Oh my.
Oh no, it's getting dark. Getting
Look out,
dark.
John. It's gonna come back.
Oh, it's getting dark.
John, it's gonna get us.
Oh no. Oh, I can't see.
I can't see either.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
Hell.
Oh god.
I told you. I think we pissed him off.
I knew that was gonna happen. And it still got
That's
me.
a good hallway right there.
I knew it was gonna happen.
That was effective. What is that?
Yeah, it's not that way. This way. That way. I think it's that way.
It was him!
Yep.
Good God, he's sneaky.
It's a swampman.
I might have peed a little on that one. I did not know he was going to be right there. Wow.
Oh, now, oh, this is the maze.
They're using the light
Oh,
to their
no.
advantage like major right now.
Oh, this
see?
is the maze. This is definitely the maze.
Daryl there.
Strobes and barrels.
Yep, this way. All right, we were going the wrong way. Oh no, it's wait. Are we going backwards?
No, we're not.
This is the same kind of lighting again.
But there's chains this time.
Okay. Oh, it's getting foggy. Oh god.
Uh-oh, I hear something cackling. What the hell is that? Uh-huh. What's so funny? Is it back there or up here?
I think you're back here.
Oh, okay. Oh, goodness.
Lurking in the darkness. He's gonna get us.
Uh-oh. They're counting down over here. Ooh.
Eric just wants it.
Eric wants to die.
He wants to
I think
die.
so.
I feel like I don't trust it. I feel like something could happen.
I don't trust any of it.
Coming out of the bodies.
What the hell is that? Where did it go? What the f***? It was furry.
It disappeared.
It was furry.
Furry?
Yeah.
I saw it for a split second.
It was furry and then it ran. Ah. Oh, no. Okay. That music puts you on edge. That thing! Furry! Yeah.
Stay back there.
Oh, look, there's a song. Oh, there's a song right there.
Oh. She ain't got no clothes on. What was that? Oh, okay. Oh.
They're pounding through the music.
More brains.
Oh, more brains.
Vortex.
Uh-oh, where are they transferring us to? They're spinning us to another dimension.
Well, what's that?
It's rocky. Yeah. Woo!
360.
Right to the dark.
Wow, that was huge. Oh, yeah. It got dark.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, we made it.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, dang. We didn't get lost too bad this time. We got lost bad the last time.
Survived.
We survived it.
Survived.
We survived it.
I think we survived.
It's foggy in there.
Do we have everybody? Do we have everyone? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that.
We got lost in there last time.
I got startled really bad in that like,
I got
green,
it in the swamp.
that green area.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was really good.
A lot of disorientation. Well, folks, thanks for watching. Yeah, we gotta climb out of the stairs and get out of the basement now. But thank you for watching.
Don't fall.
We got another video just like this coming real shortly of the darkness.
Next to Soulard
Be sure to watch that one too.
and Creepy World, America's biggest.
Hopefully we'll see you at the next hunt. Until then, stay scary.